In this video, we're gonna go through interesting app which is called Plex, movies, TV, music, and more. This app is grown into the top charts of entertainment category. You can stream movies and TV shows plus 300 plus channels of live TV instantly without subscription. Watch live TV movies anywhere from any device with Plex. Streaming movies has never been easier with Plex. Watch your favorite movies from A24, Crackle, Warner Brothers, MGM, Lionsgate, and more. Watch TV series you know and love or discover brand new shows with Plex streaming services. So that's interesting app. You can just see it here, 20,000 titles, 300 plus live channels, discover new movies, actors, shows, and genres. Watch on the go, find entertainment, watch together. And yeah, that's the app. And then let's just go through the home. So you can easily create your account with Apple ID or like Google, Facebook, and then just sign up. And here you can just see all these shows, what's on. So for example, if you open up the show, here you can just see some details. Yeah, and that's how it works. So, and then there are also some live TV channels. In the top part, you can also AirPlay or Chromecast it. So that's basically it. Then there are all these different genres which you can watch. Also, there is this interesting feature which is called Watch Together, where you can add users and share. So that's basically the idea. And then there is also live TV section. You can see some Plex channels, some featured channels, movies and shows, discover. You can discover all these sections here. Then there is music, which you can watch. Then I think they have some integration with Tidal app. Then your media, so you can yeah, so that's that. There are a bunch of settings, pretty extensive number of settings. If you're unsure, you can always just delete your account. You can also upgrade. You can subscribe to Plex Pass. You can remove playback restrictions in the iOS with a one-time purchase. So that's basically that. I don't know how long is that. So lifetime subscription is $149, yearly subscription is $39.99, monthly subscription $4.99. And then you can also activate playback restriction in iOS with one-time purchase just for $4.99. Then you can instantly also change app icon, which is pretty cool. But again, it requires Plex Pass. Change quality of videos. Then there are some advanced settings. You can always sign up for test flight if you want to, and then just sign up for test flight beta access. So help and support, and then rate on the App Store. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. That's the app. This is how it's working. There is some watch list, and that's the idea. So hope you liked it, and that's the overview. Definitely give a try to this app. It's not Netflix or it's not Disney Plus, but it's getting more popular and getting more reviews and all of that in some niches in some countries. So as you can see, it's growing in the charts, in top charts. Let's see how it develops, if it adds more features. And this app was here for a while, but now it's getting more traction.